Welcome to our Halloween bake-along. My name is Maeve and this is Eva, and today we are going to be making Halloween cream cheese swirl brownies. Sounds complicated, but don't worry, they're really, really easy. So what do we need to do first?
So we have weighed out the ingredients and we've preheated the oven to 180. And now we are going to, in a mixing bowl, we're going to add the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, salt and baking powder all together. We're going to pour the wet ingredients in with the dry ingredients. And then we're going to mix them all in together until you think they're well combined. And then make sure you're scooping it, because at the bottom there's always some dry ingredients. Make sure it's very well combined. Okay, just like this. Make sure it's all off the sides. And then you get your big spoon, and then you're going to scoop a little bit like this and put it in a bowl. Now you can get a spoon to just scrape it off if it's easier for you. Brownie's electric mixer and mix it all together. But we're not going to do it too fast because then it'll go all the way around. Now we're going to put in our base for the brownies. Make sure it's all spread out and flat. When this is done, when it's all spread out, we're gonna pour the orange paste all over. Now we're going to take this and we're going to just get a little bit, not the full thing, and just get our pinky, and we're going to put it on the orange batter, and we're just going to place it, little dots, and this is for the swirl effect. Okay, and now we're going to get our chopstick and we're just going to kind of swirl it all together.
So now we're going to get our brownie mixture and put it in the oven. It's already heated. Keep a close eye on it until it's ready.